Hey guys, so I'm on Amazon.ca, and if you're in America, you can probably get this stuff cheaper. And I've basically loaded the cart with either similar enough to or the exact items that I got from Mossery. Obviously, the washi tape's different, but there's 8 of them instead of just the one. There are 5 of the Pentel point liner pens instead of just the one. I've got the Schmenka watercolors instead of Holbein, and I get 1 extra paint tube. The Arteza watercolor empty metal palette is it's not like the cute little one, but it's still like a comparable product. The exact Faber-Castell Knead eraser, the Pentel. This is different. The white erasers are very different, but like it's still a white eraser. And then the Arteza watercolor sketchbooks. You get 3 of them. Again, $25 for 3, and they are fantastic sketchbooks. And then a different but comparable masking fluid, the same Pilot Enyo color lead and lead holder, but you get 5 more leads than what you got in the Mossery, and then a basic like Pentel Aquash water paintbrush. So all of that came to $197.95. So I would have paid less to buy everything individually off of Amazon than to get it through Mossery. And yeah, I don't have the cards in here like they have, but at the same point in time, I can use, like as I said in the other video, I can use like an online random word generator to do the exact same thing, and then I don't have a bulky product that I'm not gonna have my space for. So I'm slightly disappointed in myself for not pricing everything out. I wanted the Mossery sketchbook because I had heard good things and a lot of people were painting in them, but yeah, I'm kind of bummed out about it. But I just wanted to show you guys, like, really know your prices and like compare like everything that's in a kit to other pricing. Like I could go to different websites as well. I'm just using Amazon to like show you guys all the pricing and stuff like that. I could definitely go to other websites and price out things and use coupons and go to Michael's and like really be able to price out different things. So again, it's knowing your prices and knowing like what you like, what the products are, and like if you can get them for a better price somewhere else. Because these art kits, like at $150 it was okay, but then when you added in the extra shipping, it's like, okay, then that's $180, and then you add in the duties and fees. Now I'm up over, it's like $225 that box cost me in the end. So again, you just got to be really cautious and try not to be like, try not to get tricked. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this little mini add-on video that I will be posting separately. I'll add the link to the main video in the description so people know what the fuck I'm talking about on here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the videos, and I will chat at you later. Bye.